Isang pinagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Muli ay nagkita-kita tayo ah, sa ating sharing of words from the Bible. Tayo po ay nasa Genesis chapter 44 na sa ngayon. Ano po ba meron dito sa Genesis chapter 44? In Genesis chapter 44, the story continues with Joseph and his brother. Joseph secretly places his silver cup in the sack of his younger brother, Benjamin. After his brothers leave Egypt, later, Joseph's servants accuses them of stealing the cup. When the cup is found in Benjamin's sacks, the brothers are brought back to Joseph. Instead of abandoning Benjamin, they show deep sorrow and loyalty. Judah steps forward and offers himself as a slave in place of Benjamin, so that Benjamin can return safely to their father's Jacob. The chapter shows that the brothers have changed from the time they sold Joseph years before. They are now willing to sacrifice themselves for their brother and protect their father from more grief. So, ito po yung chapter 44 ng Genesis. Ginawa po to ni Joseph para inilagay yung cup gold sa sako ni Benjamin. Tiningnan niya, tinesting niya kung ang mga kapatid niya ay i-abandon ba ang kanyang kapatid na si Benjamin. But everything changed. Buhat ng ibenta nila ang kanilang kapatid na si Joseph, nagbago na sila. Nakitaan sila ni Benjamin ng concern sa kapatid nilang si Benjamin. They are willing to sacrifice themselves instead Benjamin. So, ang pinaka-message natin dito, God can transform people's hearts. True repentance is shown not just by words, but by changed actions, responsibility, and love for others. So, yan po yung ating Genesis chapter 44. Kamusta naman po kayo? Sana po sa mga sinishare ko sa inyo na chapter by chapter ng Bible reading natin, nilalaman ito, kung ano nilalaman ng ating banal na Biblia ay sumasa puso po ninyo. Dito po kasi makaka-relate tayo sa tunay na buhay natin, sa nangyayari sa tunay na buhay natin. Kung talagang naunawaan po natin to, ito po ay talagang nangyari din po sa atin sa buhay. Lessons from Genesis 44 are: true repentance show actions. Joseph's brother once betrayed, but now they are willing to sacrifice themselves for Benjamin. Isa po yan sa lessons na natutunan natin dito. Love and responsibility for family are important. Judah shows deep concern to their father Jacob and Benjamin's safety. So, ayaw nilang malungkot ang father nila kasi alam nila pag nawala si Benjamin, ito ay malulungkot. So, nabago yung mga ugali nila. God tests the heart to reveal true character. Joseph's test reveals whether its brothers have truly changed. So, sinest lang pala sila ni Joseph kung talaga nagbago na yung mga kapatid niya. Self-sacrifice is a sign of genuine love. Judah offering himself in Benjamin's place shows courage, humility, and love. So, instead daw na si Benjamin ang siyang ikulong, siya na lang daw. Si Judah na lang. Past mistakes can lead to transformation. Even those who once did wrong can grow and become better when they learn from their past. So, yan po yung ating aral sa Genesis chapter 44. Totoo naman po yun. Tayong mga tao, nagkakaroon ng kasalanan sa ating kapwa. Pero may chance pa rin naman po tayong magbago at binibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon ng Panginoon para magbago. So, siguro po nakikita nyo na maaga ako ngayon kasi po nakapagpahinga po ako. Umuwi po ako ng maaga para makapag Bible sharing po tayo. To God be the glory.